Hey guys, what's going on? Since office desks seem to be all the rage these days, I ordered this one off of Walmart. So I'm going to put this one together real quick. It says it's easy to assemble and shouldn't be too bad. I have to start working from home for a little bit, and as do like a lot of people right now. So I figured I'd do a quick video so you can see what this desk looks like, how easy it assembles, and what's included in the package. And what I'll do is I'll put a link to it on the Walmart website in the description of the video. So if you guys want to check it out online, you can. I think we paid about $50 for it. So it wasn't all that expensive, and might be a great way to set up if you have to set up a home office right now. So I'm going to unbox this and put it together. But before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So the dimensions on this desk are 40 inches wide by 20 inches deep and 30 inches high. So in case you're looking for the specs on it, that's what the measurements are. And it's a Mainstays Parsons Desk. And that's what the picture looks like on the front of the package. Color options for this desk are white, black oak, espresso, rustic oak, and Canyon walnut. This one is the white finish one. Okay, so let's get this open and see what's in here. All right. And here's the instructions. Here's a hardware bag. So basically, according to the directions or the instructions, it looks like it's like a big, huge thing. I guess you can't mistake the hardware from anything else, huh? It's like one of those prepare for fight drag racing things. Looks like the only thing you have to attach on this are the legs. So that makes it pretty easy. And I'm going to take everything out of here. Put the legs aside. And they're all labeled with B's on them. So I don't think they're specific as to where they go. They might just all go wherever. I heard this is pretty easy to assemble, so hopefully it is. Right. And remove all the backing, get rid of that. Walmart delivered this right to our house, so it's another plus side. You know, people trying to avoid the stores, have things delivered. It's kind of the case around here. So this is what it looks like. Whoop. Draw's coming out. So I'm going to get rid of this box. We'll place this on the floor and get this put together. So here is the hardware bag, and there's a little Allen wrench in here too. Some screws, washers, and block washers. So close up on the legs, there's a dowel at the end of every one, and there's a hole right here to line the dowel up in. So you're going to put the dowel in there, and then there are two holes on each leg. So you're going to put the leg in there, and then you're going to set yourself up with one of these screws and a lock washer and a washer. So they give you this little Allen wrench too. This is what I'm going to use. It's going to make it a little longer, but if you have like a nicer Allen wrench, you can use that. But if you don't have anything, they do include it in here with the hardware. So when you're setting up the screw and you're getting ready to screw the leg on, take your screw, grab one lock washer. It looks like this. And then put the lock washer on first, and then put the flat washer on next. So that's how the setup's going to look. And when you tighten this up, what'll happen is this little lock washer on here would prevent the screws from loosening up on you. So you're going to get two of these set up for each leg. So you can start wherever you want. doesn't really matter with this. It's a small, tiny desk. So put your leg in. Make sure the little dowel at the end goes into the hole that's on the table, the desktop. Line everything up. Then catch your screws by hand. Make sure that they're caught. Give them like a little tug. You don't want to cross thread these, so whenever you're screwing anything together, whether you're working on a car or a ATV or a desk like this, you always catch bolts by hand. And then tighten them up evenly. Just gonna flip this around, get a little more leverage on it. Just snug them up. You don't have to crank down on the things. So that's one. Let's put the second leg on. Same deal. Line up the little hole. Drop the leg in there. Slip your bolts through. Wiggle the leg around if you have to. Make sure that they're caught by hand. They seem to thread in pretty easy. Then just snug them up. You don't have to crank down on them. Let's put the other two on. Okay, let's put the third leg on. So line that up. And catch these screws. And this might be a little bit repetitive, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to put this thing together. It's pretty simple. Sometimes you get stuff and it says it's easy, and it's not easy. It happens all the time. That one. Okay, that one. Let's move over to the last one. Same deal, catch these by hand. And let's screw these in. Okay, now our last leg is screwed in. We can flip the desk over and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what the desk looks like once it's put together. And it's got a nice smooth surface on the top. There's a drawer under here that pulls out. And it comes out this far. You can slide it right in so you can keep a few things under it. And I've got a chair right here, so you can push a nice chair in with it. This was super easy to put together. All you really need to do is take the desk out of the box and put the legs on it. It was super easy to do. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like the video if you liked it. And if you have a question, leave a comment on it. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I'll leave a link for the desk in the description of the video. So if you want to check it out on Walmart's site, you can click on the link and zip over to their website. Thanks for watching.